Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold ended up pushing down below the 61% fib today. This morning I was saying it still looks like it possibly could go up and grab these highs, but the problem with that analysis I said this morning is that the daily time frame and especially the weekly look like they are going down to about $3,000 an ounce or even a little bit lower to finish off a likely correction like a wave Y of wave 4. So this is what happens. The higher time frames are almost always the ones that tell you the truth because the shorter time frames, you definitely had a fib bounce, you definitely had a break of structure. And then what happened because the higher time frames were bearish, it just kept on going down and eventually made new lows. So at this point, we would have to just follow along with the momentum, and the momentum, especially on the higher time frames, is definitely still down. So we want to be looking for pullbacks like the one we had today for more entries to go short, potentially for the continuation of a big wave 4 on the weekly and daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.